Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 355th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today's recipe I'm going to share with all of you a simple and easy homemade white sandwich bread. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so moist and buttery. And these are some of the ingredients that you probably have in your pantry. If you're a beginner bread maker, this is the recipe for you. Everybody's going to fall in love with this white bread. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my bread recipes playlist for more recipes and my previous video, strawberry cream cheese bread. I'll also post a link to that down below in the description box. So put on your apron, roll up your sleeves, and grab your bread pan, sugar, because we're about to bake some white sandwich bread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my measuring cup I have 1/3 cup of warm water, and you want to get it to 110 degrees. We're going to add in a teaspoon of white sugar to help feed the yeast. Going to give it a quick stir. Now we're going to add in 1 package of active dry yeast and give that a stir. And we're going to let the yeast sit for about 7 to 10 minutes until it's puffy and foamy. Alright my friends, our yeast has risen, nice and puffy. I just love the smell of yeast. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to make our sandwich bread. Alright my friends, in my stand mixer with the dough hook, I added in the yeast. You can also use a hand mixer. And into our yeast, we're going to add in 1 cup of warm water that let come to 110 degrees. 1/3 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. 1½ teaspoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Give it a great texture. And 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Going to give it a great flavor. And we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can use bread flour. And we're going to add the flour in. A little at a time. I'm using my 1/2 cup measurement. Alright, last of the flour. And we're going to knead it until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what the dough looked like. Nice and sticky. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to put our dough into the bowl. I have put my dough into a large bowl that I greased with canola oil and greased the dough all over. So now we're going to cover it with some plastic wrap, or you can use a kitchen towel. And we're going to put it in a warm place. You can put it in the oven or the microwave. And we're going to let it rise for about 45 minutes until it's double in size. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, this is what the dough looked like after 45 minutes. Big and puffy. So now we're going to punch a hole in the middle to release the air. So now on the flour surface, Just going to knead it a few times. And if your dough is too sticky, you can always add more flour. Ooh, this dough is nice and soft. Squishy like a pillow. All right, my friends. Now we're going to flatten it to a rectangle. So now we're going to brush it with some melted butter. I have 3 tablespoons. Brush the butter all over. All right, so now we're going to roll it farthest from you. And want to tighten it real good. So now we're going to put the bread into my greased loaf pan. Alrighty, our dough is as snug as a bug in the rug. So now we're going to cover the dough and proof it again. It's going for a second rise for another 45 minutes until it's double in size. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our bread is nice and big. So now for the final step. We're going to brush it with some more melted butter. Oh yes, baby. It's going to be buttery-licious. Alrighty, Mr. Bread, you ready to go into the oven? Yes, ma'am. We're going to put it in a preheated 425-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, we're going to cover it with some foil, and we're going to continue baking for 12 to 15 minutes until it's golden brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. My friends, look at this gorgeous sandwich bread. I just taken it out of the oven. It smells incredible. Ain't nothing like freshly baked bread. Alright, so while it's still hot, we're going to melt it with some more butter. Y'all know there's anything with butter is about to get down. Alright, so now we're going to let the bread cool completely, and then I'll take it out the pan and put it on my cake stand, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Homemade white sandwich bread. And we made it completely from scratch. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And look at the inside. Nice and fluffy. Perfect for any sandwich. Grilled cheese, peanut butter and jelly, ham and cheese, you name it. What's your favorite sandwich? Let me know down below in the comment section. Alright. So now I'm going to fix me a plate, put some butter on it, and I'll give it a taste. My friends, look at this beautiful slice of bread. Oh, my mouth's watering. I love lots and lots of butter on my bread. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. tender. I love that hint of maple syrup. This sandwich bread is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Sandwich bread delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.